Welcome, in front of me is a Neffos C5 Plus, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from SIM to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app. You will pull up the panel and you will find the Contacts app right here. Now if you have more apps, it will be probably in a bit of a different location than it was for me. But yeah, so you can find it, and from here you will see all the contacts that are on the SIM by the logo right here that you can see on each of the letters. There is a logo of a SIM too. So to import it, you would go into the panel right here, tap on the settings and scroll down, and you should find import, and it asks you copy contacts from, so we want to select it to be the SIM, so it's right here, SIM2, and then tap on next, and you want to copy to the phone. Now I think if you would be logged into Google account, it will actually add another option to be moved to the Google, but for me it's just the phone, so let's just tap on it, and then you have the list of all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So from here you can select all of them or just particular ones if you would like to, and once you have selected all the ones that you want, all you need to do is just tap on OK, and immediately it's moved. Now if we go to back to the contact, we should have two additional contacts, this one and this, without any kind of logo on the letter, meaning that they are on the device. So if I were to take out the SIM card, those two contacts will stay on the device. But yeah, that is how you would copy contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.